Hey Shiba Army, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. Fantastic news guys. Maybe you have already heard, but the security audit from CertiK is out. The report is out. We're going to go over that in this video, as well take a look at some other Shiba Inu news, take a look at the charts, the price action, take a look at the global crypto market. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Guys, this has been something we've been waiting for quite some time. As we can see right here guys, request date May 27, 2021, and just revision date is July 9th, so just yesterday. So just over a month and a half, and this is finally complete now. There's a PDF here that you can download if you want to read the entire report and go through every single detail. I'm not going to do that in this video. Maybe I'll make another video later on going into that. However, this is fantastic news because there's been so much FUD recently, and actually for the last few months over Shiba Inu in general, Shiba Swap. So now that we had Shiba Swap released this past Tuesday, a lot of that has kind of disappeared. A lot of those haters have kind of left. Maybe they've gone into other coins or other forums, but now we have this full report, and this really provides the credibility that we wanted, that we needed. Just scrolling back up, you can see that it's now onboarded, from onboarding to onboarded. So this means that it is official. They've onboarded this project. It is a pass. However, we're still waiting for CertiK Shield and as well as Skynet, but don't worry, that's going to come very, very shortly. Now, just a few days ago, DeFi Safety released a report, an audit report on Shiba Swap, giving it a really, really low score of 3%. And this really added to the FUD, a lot of the haters, people just calling Shiba Swap out. Now, I got some more information on this. I got a nice update I'm going to tell you about in just a moment. But first, let's go back to the CertiK website and just go over the report. All right, guys, back to the CertiK website to take a look at the audit report for Shiba Swap. So as you can see, guys, we have 34 total findings, 97% resolved. So let's take a look at the breakdown. So we have critical findings. So there's 0 critical findings. So this is amazing to hear, right? Nothing critical. So this is great. We don't even have to go over this section. Next section is major findings. So there were 8 major findings found by CertiK. However, they've all been resolved. Now next, they found 1 medium finding. However, this logical issue has been resolved. The next section, 11 minor findings. So out of these 11 minor findings, 10 have been resolved. So there's still 1 outstanding medium issue. And last but not least, guys, there has been 14 info findings by CertiK, which all 14 have been resolved. Now, I did mention at the beginning of the video that I wouldn't go through each issue because generally they've all been resolved. However, this one that hasn't been resolved, this minor issue, is the potential sandwich attack. But as you can see, guys, it's been partially resolved. So there you have it, guys. But just to reiterate, there was a total of 34 findings. Only 1 minor finding hasn't been resolved. However, it's been partially resolved. So guys, that is a fantastic report. But as I mentioned, guys, of course, we still need to wait for the CertiK Shield and of course to see the Skynet report. So if you're not familiar with the Skynet report, I'm just going to go over to the SafeMoon report because I covered SafeMoon a few months back and went through this entire process as well. So as you can see, like, you have the security score. So obviously we still need to get that from the Shield, of course. And then down here, you can see the Skynet report. So it gives more detail about all the concerns and issues raised. So you can see static analysis, on-chain monitoring. So you're going to get all this nice information and you'll be able to read more about this. So stay tuned for this. It should come out probably, I'm guessing, next week. Okay, guys, now back to the DeFi Safety report, which gave Shiba Swap a 3% rating. So I mentioned earlier in the video, we're going to talk about it. So here we go now. Milkshake on his Twitter mentioned this, calling out again. Additionally, at DeFi Safety, you should change the action of paying for a promoted tweet with your poor score release. Don't mint attendance to your profile by damaging us, the investors of SHIB, and by spreading fear on the newly released Shiba Swap. And guys, as you can see, just a few hours ago, DeFi Safety has increased the rating. So here's the tweet that they sent out. Shiba has increased to 35% with a solid audit and good through centralized access controls. Transparency still lacks. No public smart contract addresses, no code, tests, or software docs. Now heading over to DeFi Safety's website, we can see that they've changed the score from 3% to 35%. So here you have code and team 4%, documentation 11%, testing 0, security 79%, and access controls 57%. So not too sure what happened with DeFi going from 3% to 35%. You know, was it the tweet from Milkshake that got them thinking again? Was it a promoted tweet? What exactly happened, guys? Not too sure. Did they just decide to re-audit Shiba Swap. But at the end of the day, this is a company that, in my opinion, shouldn't really be trusted because they are not reputable like CertiK. Number one, CertiK is the number one security auditing company, right? And then we have this company coming here, DeFi Safety, just kind of making assumptions, trying to spread FUD everywhere, saying it's a 3%. Like, that is a ridiculous score. Definitely, like 35% isn't that great. It's still a failing score. However, much better than 3%. But at the end of the day, guys, no need to concern yourself with these kind of companies. DeFi Safety, you know, they're not very reputable at all. Remember, we got CertiK, and of course, we're going to get the CertiK Shield this week, hopefully next week, as well as the Skynet report. So guys, stay tuned for that, and I'll go over that information as well once I have it, and we'll do a nice video covering all the information. And of course, guys, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, turning on those post notifications, and dropping a like on the video. And of course, guys, as an affiliate of Webull, please consider signing up, deposit $5, and you're going to get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, guys. This is no brainer. The promotion's on for the next about 10 days to July 20th. So who knows if they'll extend this promotion, guys. So you got to check it out. Great platform. And remember, you can even view SHIB on Webull right now. Now, it's not listed, but you can at least look at the charts and take a look at the price action. All right, guys, off the coinmarketcap.com to take a look at the price of Shiba Inu. As you can see, 7685, down a little over 3% in the last 24 hours. Volume down over 7%, coming in at 300 million. Market cap just over 3 billion. So it's coming down quite a bit there. Holders still in this 585,000 range. So this is pretty cool. I expect us to hit 600,000 in the next week or two. So taking a look at the one-day chart, you can see it's pretty much in a downwards trend, as you can see, coming in over here and then going all the way down, breaking into the 7s and staying within the 7 range. Great time to buy in the dip, in my opinion. Now, I bought earlier today. I reloaded up here just to pick up some extra SHIB because what I wanted to do was do some more Barian. So that's what I did. Now it started to come up a little bit, so I'm technically still in the green. However, it also looks like it's coming down now, so still in the red, but the entire crypto market is also in the red, and that is the big thing. So heading over to see the global crypto market, as you can see, global crypto market at 1.39 trillion, down just under 1% for the day. Not too bad. Bitcoin 33,000, down about 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum 2100, down just over 1%, about 2% actually. Everything in the red. Dogecoin 21 cents, still holding above that 20-cent level, which is really great. I thought yesterday we were going to dip into the teens. However, we didn't. So as you can see, down 4%, but holding that 21-cent range pretty strong. Now taking a look at Leash, as you can see, Leash down almost 11% in the last 24 hours. 2,152, volume down over 50%, close to 51% in that 3.1 million range. Now, looking at the chart, you can see that nothing but a downward trend. You know, the whole Shiba Inu community is down. You have Leash and, of course, Shiba Inu. So as you can see, going down, had a nice dip this morning, but then immediately just popped right back up. It's kind of consolidating, trending sideways, going up for a breakout, but then failed, came right down, and now it's just kind of going sideways. Not too much going down, but still not too bad of a price considering our prices that we had pre-AMA last week, 4,500, 4,400 range. So this is still cheaper than half price. However, I would just wait to see what's going on with the general crypto market. Definitely want to see what's happening there. If we're going to still have a few more days of red. I think it's going to still be red for the remainder of the weekend. Possibly start to pick up next week, Monday, Tuesday, when the stock market reopens. All right, guys, that's all I have for you for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you got some value out of it. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. This is strictly for education, entertainment purposes. Now, let me know in the comments down below. Did you stake all your tokens, or did you only do 50%? Let me know the percentage right now. 50%, 100%, 25%. And of course, guys, please consider subscribing, turning on post notifications, and putting a like on the video. And of course, guys, if you want free stocks, free money, or if you just need a new broker, sign up for Webull. Use my link in the description below. Deposit $5 and you'll get those 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300, guys. And remember, you can view SHIB on the charts, take a look at the price history, and it's only a matter of time before they list Shiba Inu. Once again, guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, and I will see you all in the next video.